birthday to Jojo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jojo. Happy birthday to Jojo. Happy birthday to Jojo.
What are we doing, Nicholas?
Drawing.
Yeah, are we making a card?
Yeah.
For who?
Jojo.
Because it's her birthday. How old is Jojo?
Number one.
She's number 1.
It's Jojo. What is Jojo, Nicholas? What is she?
She's really...
What is he?
Yes, she your friend.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Jojo really like that. And Annabelle too. Annabelle. Say Jojo. Annabelle, can you say Jojo? Jojo. Can you say Jojo? Yeah. There's more eating the crowns from my daughter. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Annabelle, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jojo.